Behind one of these doors is Homer Simpson. Behind the other, a Bengal tiger. Choose wisely.
Both doors have tigers.
One of those tigers is named Homer Simpson.
This is boring.
Yeah, switch it to the elderly animal channel.
Please for Anastasia. She loves show business. So much nicer than the savagery of the jungle, yeah?
Hey, Tiger! Wake up!
Until a younger, more aggressive lion challenges his power.
Oh, the couch is like that tree.
The displaced male has two choices. Either spend the rest of his days among the other broken-down old lions,
All the good grapes are taken.
or find inclusion in the tribe by caring for vulnerable young cubs.
Lisa, Basic Cable said I should nurture you.
Bart, what are you doing here?
Not smoking reefer.
That's right. We all not smoking reefer.
Wow!
No, Buttercup, no!
Wow! My arm! It hurts where the tiger's biting it!
You'll recover, but you'll never drum again.
Says you. Ah!
What a wingding! This is much better than my girlfriend's birthday party.
Homer?
Bart, get out and push.
Yeah, Bart, get out and push.
No way, Jose.
Okay, we've seen a lion. Can we go now?
Safe at last. Caution. Exit through door 7 only. All other rooms contain man-eating tigers! Roman numerals? They never even tried to teach us that in school. Wait. I got it. I don't got it. Okay, think, Bart. Where have you seen Roman numerals before? I know. Rocky V. That was the 5th one. So, Rocky 5 plus Rocky 2 equals Rocky 7, Adrian's Revenge!
Come back here!
Filled with many great white sharks, deadly electric eels, ravenous piranhas, bone-crushing alligators, and perhaps most frightening of all, the king of the jungle, one ferocious lion! I can't watch!
He made it!
Oh, I am so terribly sorry, sir. It appears that your tiger has been sent to St. Louis.
I should send you to St. Louis.
No, he's not worth it.
Can you please indicate your tiger type on this chart?
Number 6.
Hey, Dad! Dad, check this out!
Dad, over here!
Dad, a mother giraffe is giving birth!
Dad, look, I'm walking on the wall around the lion pit.
Dad, the baby giraffe is taking his first steps.
Dad, I'm walking on my hands and the lions think they're gonna eat me.
Dad, pay attention to your children.
Okay. Oh, that'll be my screensaver.
Just my arm. Gotcha.
Well, you little...